Why spending time alone is important for mental health. According to the doctor, there is a difference between loneliness and being alone. Loneliness, she says, is associated with negativity and feeling of being left out. Whereas being alone helps you become more comfortable in your own skin. When you're by yourself, you can make choices without outside influences. And that will help you develop more insight into who you are as a person. How does it help a person mentally? Some key benefits. 1. Personal exploration. Spending time with yourself and being comfortable leads to understanding your choices, likes and dislikes. You will become closer to knowing why you behave a certain way. Creativity. Creativity is a great tool to maintain mental health. Spending time on a hobby and using your mind to create something is a great way to feel good. This requires solitude and time, which is difficult to find if you are surrounded by people all the time. Social energy. Sometimes you don't want to live in someone else's mess. When you live alone, go out to eat alone, or spend time with yourself, you're in control of everything you do. There won't be anyone judging you, telling you what to do, or getting on your nerves. Less negativity leads to more positivity, which enhances mood and general disposition. 4. Productivity. Your productivity increases multifold when you are not worried about what others are doing, or how they are judging you. 5. Sense of empowerment. Let your newfound independence empower you. Learn about staying safe when you're alone to help you relax and embrace your new freedom. Asocial versus antisocial. The doctor further explains the difference between being asocial and antisocial. Antisocial behavior, avoiding social contact, can be bad for mental health. It can be a symptom of anxiety or depression, whereas being unsociable, preferring alone time because you enjoy it, can actually be good.